Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a no makeup look with glowy dewy foundation. Actually, I filmed this video as a Eid makeup look for young teenager girls and especially for beginners. But you all know Achanak wali Eid, so that's why I didn't upload this video. I'm sorry, I was late. But you can do it as a party makeup or for your farewells. So let's begin with the video. So first of all, we will ensure all the hairs are away from face for get rid of any disturbance during makeup and face will be nicely clean. Now first of all, I'm going to apply eye cream and here I'm using ELF eye cream, and trust me girls, any of the hydrating cream is like a game changer for your eye makeup look, especially your under eyes, especially when you have super dry under eyes. And now here I'm using a Dr. Rachel toner for my face. It's like gel-like consistency and very good for skin girls and especially in summers. And here I'm using Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. What you actually need is a primer that fill up your pores and provide your plain canvas and also moisturize your skin. And now I'm using Revolution a liquid highlighter, and it's actually glow up my foundation from inside. And usually I prefer liquid highlighter for foundation or BB cream, and especially this trick helps a lot in summers because we don't need a lot of highlighters in summers. And here I'm using super lightweight and good coverage concealer which is from Fit Me, and I just put it on those areas where I feel pigmentation, and you can clearly see how badly Rabia blended. Hopefully you guys will know, just take your time and do it nicely. And now with the same concealer, I will shape up my eyebrows too. And here I am just trying to hide the extra hairs. And now I'm gonna brush eyebrows just to put them in place. And now I'm using eyebrow pencil to give some definition. You can use any eyebrow material you have. You can use eyebrow pencils, pomades, but I think this precise pencil is very good for beginners. But your main focus will be your gaps, the empty spaces, and from front let it be if you have a lot of hair, because you need very natural soft look eyebrows. And now I will clean up brows with some concealer. Now you can see how they look like. Now putting some concealer also on eyelids before eye makeup look. And for eye makeup I'm going to use these eye brushes which are from ELF Cosmetics. And now for blending this concealer I'm going to use this brush which is little dense. I think this brush is the crease brush, but as they are multi-purpose brushes, so I used it as a buffing brush, and trust me, it blends concealer very nicely. And I did other one off camera. And now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the ELF 18 Hit Wonder palette, and I'm in love with this palette. It's so amazing. The metallic shades are super buttery, but the matte ones are a little dusty, but they blends very well, so it's okay. So here I just mixed two colors together and put them on my lids with my finger, and here I'm just blending out with my finger, and this way you can get super pigmented colors. And now I'm taking this pave color for my brow bones and for my tear duct just to highlight them. You can use any highlighter material you have. And now for liner, I'm going to use 18 or Essence waterproof liner, but I suggest you guys to use pen liners. That will be more easy in first. And now for mascara, I'm going to use the volumizing mascara from ELF. I used a lot of products from ELF, but it's not a sponsored video actually. The ELF products are super reasonable and easily available in Pakistan, and I will share that link in description box down below. The products are amazing in reasonable prices, so hopefully you'll enjoy their products too. And now for my foundation, I'm using a Match Perfecting foundation from Rimmel London, and here I'm using blending brush first, and then you can use beauty blender. But please don't use beauty blender in first, because the beauty blender is super hungry for foundation. It will eat your whole foundation literally. So in first I suggest you guys a brush, and then you can use a damp beauty blender. And please don't use damp beauty blenders with those foundations that are waterproof, because it will really cracks your foundation, especially your mouth area, from your mouth area and from your nose, around your nose. So please don't use any water like water sponges, damp beauty blenders, especially with your matte foundations, with waterproof foundations, because that foundation, that waterproof foundation will never mix with that water and surely will crack your foundation. So please don't. Hopefully you understand. And here is the final look with the foundation, and I'm in love with this foundation. This is so good for especially dry skin girls, and combination skin girls also can use. It's really blur out your pores and give you a good finish. This foundation is a buildable foundation, so you can build it up according to your need. Now I'm using camouflage concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It is in peachy tone, so I used it to hide dark circle, and the coverage is so good, but it dries very quickly, so you will blend it quickly. Now here I use some contouring from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This contour kit is so good, so buttery and super creamy, blends out very nicely. I think the contouring is not so necessary for teenager girls, for young girls, so I did it off camera, but I will show you the nose contouring. It's so easy, you can easily do it. You just need to step up with the natural contour you have. But I think contouring is a long story, so you just skip it for a time being. I will inshallah make a video on contour. Now I put the flat brush from the same brushes from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I pick it up this metallic golden greenish color. And now I will quickly finish up with my lower lash line, and now smudge it under my lower lash line. I'm little afraid from very dark colors for you guys, because in first you cannot handle that too much warm colors. So that I take these colors and I blend this color with just peachy tone of colors. So we'll see what happens. Now here I'm just put some peachy kind of shade to smudge out that color. You can also skip this part, it's not necessary, and you can just use some white pencil or black kajal pencil and some colorful as well as they are super in trend. And then adding some mascara on my lower lash line, and it make my look finish. Then I'm going to bake my face with Airspun loose powder. It's so amazing, literally. It's really mattifying your foundation, and it stay all day long according to my experience. And I will apply especially on those areas where I feel super oily skin, and just under my cheekbones, just to sharpen up my contour area. And now dust it off with some big fluffy brush. Now the most important part for my teenager girls, for young girls, the blush on. Here I'm used BH Cosmetics blush palette. It's so amazing, all the shades are amazing. They are super buttery and blends very nicely. Now put it on apple of cheeks and little bit on cheekbones. Now for lipstick, here I have 3 shades. The 2 shades are super nudie. The one is a very beautiful berry shade. Here I apply the nude one, and then we'll add that berry one inside the lips. This way you can get very plumpy, very natural look. Must try it out, you will love it. I hope this video will help you a lot. And now for the next time, please leave a small requested video in the comment down below. So here is the final look, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you really enjoy this video, do like it and share with your friends. All the products detail will be mentioned down below in the description box. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.